In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find home value estimate on Zillow desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for a property's estimated value and how to read the key details that explain it. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Zillow.com. At the top of the home page, you'll see a search bar. Type the full street address of the home you're interested in. Include the city, state, and zip code if you can, and for condos or apartments, add the unit number to avoid pulling up the wrong place. Double-check spelling so Zillow matches the correct property. Then press Enter or click the magnifying glass icon. You'll be taken to the property's page. Near the top, look for a section that shows the Zestimate. This is Zillow's automated estimate of the home's current market value. You'll often see it displayed alongside the listing price if the home is for sale, as well as quick links to things like price history. It's helpful to remember that a Zestimate is generated by a model using public records, recent market trends, and details about the home such as square footage, lot size, and the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. It can update regularly as new data comes in, so the number you see today may shift over time. Think of it as a starting point for understanding value, not a formal appraisal. Next, scroll down the page to explore the details that add context to that estimate. In the price history section, you'll find previous sale dates and prices, along with any notable price changes. This helps you see how the property's value has moved over time and how it compares to the current estimate. Keep scrolling to review the tax assessment history. This typically shows assessed values from local authorities and the associated property taxes. While assessed values aren't the same as market values, they can provide another lens on the property's trajectory and how it's been evaluated by the municipality. You'll also find comparable nearby sales. These are recent sales of similar homes in the area, and they're a key piece of how automated estimates are formed. Look at the sale dates, final prices, and how similar those homes are in size, features, and location. The closer the match, the more relevant the comparison. That's it. Open Zillow, search the full address, check the Zestimate near the top, and then scroll for price history, tax assessments, and comparable sales to understand the estimate's context. Use this as a helpful guide when researching a home's value.